If you love the Maserati Levante, you must have to know about it. Maserati Levante is just about making a statement. It features unique designs which is available in a sea of similar looking crossovers. It is just an Italian GT which is indulged in a styled body looking SUV. It offers you a good ride and a good handling packages. Basically, Maserati Levante is of 5 types. First one is the standard, second one is the diesel, third one is the S, fourth one is the Grand Sport, fifth one is the Grand Lusso. Now you must know about that what it takes to buy the Maserati Levante. Now we shall consider the base calculations of the model Grand Lusso. If you are eligible for the top model Grand Lusso, then you can buy any of the above models, the Grand Sport, S model, standard, diesel, anything. But people get generally confused that which model to buy. There is only difference of price and not much of features. If there will be, then there is slight differentiation, but not much. Now let's start the calculation. The Maserati Levante top model Grand Lusso is about 1.58 crores plus ex showroom plus taxes. So let us take the down payment as 40 lakhs and the loan amount as 1.17 crore. So the down payment is 40 lakhs and the loan amount is 1.17 crore. Let us take the interest rate as 9.5% and the tenure as 5 years. Now then the EMI might be around 2.46 lakhs per month. So the amount of interest you have to give to the bank in these 5 years is 31.5 lakhs in these 5 years. So this is the base calculation, and you can also modify all these according to your choice. You can decrease the down payment, increase the EMI, or you can increase the tenure, decrease the rate of interest. It all depends upon that how much you can pay. And if you have the money, then you can walk into the showroom and get the Levante easily and enjoy yourself with the ride. Then the first topic which comes in the mind is how much money we need to have in our bank account before even starting the loan process. First, down payment of 40 lakhs. Second, registration, it all depends upon the state. That might be within 10 lakhs, 7 point somewhat lakhs, but it will take within 7 lakhs. And the next thing is insurance. The insurance will be around 6.2 lakhs and the TCS might be around 1.6 lakhs. So according to my idea, you shall have to keep at least 60 lakhs in your bank account before even starting the loan process of the Maserati Levante. If you don't have a Maserati showroom in your city, then you shall ship it from any of your neighboring states, and if your neighboring states also does not have, then you need to ship it from any other outside abroad country, and for that you need to give at least 1 lakh to let the car reach your doorstep. These are all about the base calculations of the Maserati Levante. Now let's come to the next part. The second thing is eligibility. How much you are eligible to buy the Maserati Levante. If you are a salaried person, the Maserati Levante has an EMI of 2.46 lakhs per month. So if you are a salaried person, then you need to have a salary of 4.5 lakhs or even more than that, provided there is a condition. What is the condition? That you need to have no open loan accounts other than the Maserati Levante's loan. And second one, if you are a self-employed or a businessman, you need to have an income tax return of 40 to 50 lakhs or even more than that. Basically, if you are a salaried person, you cannot give more than 60% of your salary as EMI. And if you want other loans also to go parallelly with the Levante, then you need a hike in your salary and other things also. Then the next thing comes about the people who generally say that they have a lot of money in their bank account. They can easily walk into the showroom, get the car without any problem. But the next category which comes is for the people who have a lot of cash. They cannot buy this car because the showroom cannot accept more than 5 to 7 lakhs. So they have two options. They can either buy the second hand Maserati Levante, which is available very rare in India. They can either import it from any other country, they can buy the car on the name of a person who has a better ITR. That's all about the eligibility criteria. Next we come about is the income tax returns. For the salaried people, the income tax return shall be close to 35 lakhs, and for the self-employed or the businessman, the income tax return shall be about 40 to 50 lakhs or even more than that. The next comes is the monthly EMI. As we have calculated earlier, the monthly EMI is around 2.46 lakhs per month, and it all depends upon your bank, your profile, your CIBIL score, and all upon the bank. And you can also modify the EMI as per your choice. So that's all about the Maserati Levante. So do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Hope you like the video. Thank you.